I had a domestic violence case in Valencia. The case went to trial. My client was looking at some serious time and a bunch of other bad consequences. He told me that he was innocent. We took the case to trial. Here's an example, because people ask me all the time, well, how can I win my domestic violence case? Maybe my significant other will say that it didn't happen. They'll change their story. The problem now, especially in LA County, they've got body cams. So they've got your significant other's story memorialized on tape. The way that we can win these cases, the way that we can get the job done, is to find problems with the prosecution's case. A perfect example is this not guilty verdict that I got. The woman, the client's wife, said that my client punched her in the face. He's 225 pounds. There's a little red mark near her cheek. There's no way that a punch in the face is going to leave a small mark like that. So it didn't make sense, and I blew that up. I blew that up for the jury. They didn't like it. The prosecutor's case just went by the wayside. The credibility of the wife at the time just didn't make sense. And of course now she realized that she had overemphasized the case, and now she was on my client's side, and it ended in a not guilty verdict. So you don't just get not guilty verdicts just because somebody changes their story. You've got to pick something in the case that you can blow up, emphasize, and use to destroy the prosecutor's case. The legal moral of the story in this type of case is the prosecutor thought she had the case won, but she didn't account for one thing, and that's common sense. And juries know when a prosecutor's case doesn't match up with common sense. I've won so many jury trials just by using common sense, and I ask the jury before the case starts, I say, look, if your common sense tells you that the prosecutor's case doesn't make sense, doesn't hold water, and they haven't met their burden, are you going to find my client not guilty? And when they say yes, that's my perfect juror, and I hammer that home in the closing argument.
You did great, man.
I appreciate it.
There's nobody else I would have selected for the job. You were highly recommended for everything. So
Good stuff, man.
yeah, and like you said, 30 years of experience, and it definitely shows.
I'm glad we got that resolved for you, brother.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it.
I really appreciate your help.
You're going to be out of the system very quickly.
Thank you so much.
I'm telling you guys right now, do not go inside this building or any other courthouse without Ronald Hedding. This is the man right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey,
You got me out of that.
Send me some partying pictures, man.
I got your direct line.
All right, sounds good, brother.